Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the ram from 99 Nights in the Forest. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw the snout. Let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And close it off at the bottom with another curve. Now inside for the nose, let's draw two bumps. And then a V-shaped point underneath. And then color the nose in black. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw two lines down. And a curve at the bottom. And now let's add a border inside in the same way. And color the inside in black. Now let's hop up and let's draw the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a large oval on an angle. And the same thing on the right side. Now inside each one, let's draw a skinny oval on an angle like this. And color these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now we're going to hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Then for the ends, let's angle it down and curve it out at the bottom. And then a small curve in on both sides. Now let's bring it out again. And then let's curve it into the side of the mouth. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop on top and let's draw the horns. Let's start on top of the head, slightly over to the left, and let's draw a long curve out, up, and down. And the same thing on the right side. Now from the end, let's curve it down and bring it back up next to the head here. Now at the end, let's add a curve down and up. Now let's hop back in at the head and let's draw another curve up and bring it down on the inside here. And then lastly for the horns, let's draw some curves along the top edge. And that's it for the horns. Lastly, let's draw the ears. On both sides of the head, let's draw a curve out like this. And now let's continue it on the other side of the horns. Now let's hop back into the head and let's add one more line underneath on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start under the head on both sides and let's draw a curve out. And then bring it in underneath. Now let's hop to the center under the mouth and let's draw a curve down. And close it off with the wavy line on the right side. Now let's hop up and we're going to draw the fur across the chest. Let's start under the shoulders here and let's draw an angle in on both sides. A point underneath. And then let's bring it back into the center with a zigzag line on both sides. Now let's hop out and let's draw the sides of the body by bringing it down. And a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on both sides and let's draw a curve out and in. And then an angle down underneath. Now we're going to hop underneath and let's draw an angle starting from the body. And 2 points up, like this. Now at the ends, let's curve it down underneath each line. Now at the ends here, let's draw the hands. Let's start on the inside and let's draw a bent line down. And curve it back in. Now for the next finger, let's curve it down. And then bring it up with a bent line. Now let's add another finger in the same way next to it. And then one more to close off each hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve down and up. And the same on the right side. Now let's do another one underneath in the same way. And then let's curve it down and back in. Now let's hop inside, and from the center, let's draw 2 curves down and out. Then let's draw a bump in towards the center. And then bring it down. Now at the bottom of each end, let's draw a small angle up. And another piece of fur down and up underneath. And one more small line down at the bottom. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw an angle down for the other side of the feet. And close it off with a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw 2 bumps at the bottom like this. And color them both in black. And that's it for the ram. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!